This is Chef Henry, and we're back in a different Chef Henry kitchen.
Yeah.
This is our trailer, and he's going to show you something special today.
And you know, with no further ado, this one was get requested, and we at our campsite, and we're gonna make jerk chicken at the trailer. So guys, my chicken is in the sink. I'm gonna get my chicken seasoned up, make my marinade and everything right here at the trailer park, and I will show you guys step by step on how I do this. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also keep the post notification bell, and that video start right now. Now we are getting ready to clean up our chicken, so I'm going to wash my chicken, but first I'm going to show you it's a small place we have to work with, and I have seasoning over here. I have roasted garlic and pepper, I have some seasoned salt, and this one right here I have some onion powder, and I have some garlic salt, and then I have some Italian spices, and then I have a onion over here. But this season right here that I take to the trailer, I had pimento into my seasoning. So in my roasted garlic, I already have pimento inside it, and then I have green onion in the fridge. So let's just focus on getting the chicken clean. So I'm just gonna run hot water, because with the trailer we're gonna make it warm water just to get the chicken clean up. Just right there, and then inside the chicken, and then you're just gonna go in and get the gross stuff out of the chicken. So we'll be just taking off the fats and everything. Just like that. You just wanna get all of these gross stuff out of the chicken. Then I'm just gonna take up the gross stuff and then put them into a bag. So now I get my chicken cleaned up, all the gross stuff off my chicken. I'm just gonna proceed to wash my chicken. I'm just gonna put some more warm water over it. Just like that, and then just wanna get the gross stuff off the chicken. Then dump the water down the sink. And for this trip, I pack vinegar. So I pack it into the spray bottle. So I'm just gonna apply some to my chicken. You just want to get them covered in vinegar to take off the raw smell and to prevent salmonella poisoning. So just want to rub the vinegar on the chicken just to get it nice and drenched in vinegar. Now we're just going to add bottled water to rinse off the vinegar smell out of the chicken. And the reason for that, we're just using spring water that's filtered. Even though I have filter on my trailer, I hook up 2 filter. Remember, this is camping at its best. So then as you get your chicken washed, you're just going to drain the water out. Then we're going to add our seasoning. So I'm going to start out with seasoned salt. I'm just going to use the cap to measure it. Just a half a cap full. Then I'm going to add roasted garlic and pepper. And it's also a pimento mix up inside it, because I've done a pimento right next to it. And then I'm going to add some roasted garlic. I just want to be the same with the seasoning. Then I'm going to add some Italian herb and spice. Just the same. We're going to add the onion. Just nice slice of onion. And it doesn't matter what do you use to season. So everybody do it a little bit different. And where I grew up in Jamaica, in Portland, remember, that's the office of jerk chicken. That's where we master jerk chicken and all of those jerk spices that we use in tradition. So depends on where you're at. You can add whatever you like, but I'm doing it the official way that I was taught when I was a little kid growing up. Then I'm gonna add browning, and the way I had browning, you just wanna tip the first tip just like that, and then you just wanna tip another second tip, and that's the way I judge browning. And you just rest it in the sink because remember browning run down the side and you don't want to get mess everywhere. So I'm just gonna rub it in, and if I need more, I will just add it as I go. You just want to get your chicken coated in season, just like how I'm rubbing it right here. Just to get everything covered nicely. So when everybody in this trailer park smell this chicken, they're gonna know that, okay, yeah, there is a Jamaican guy at his finest right here. Now I'm making the sauce to dip the chicken in, and I just basically had the same onion and all the seasoning, and I just took a little more browning. So I just place it on the stove in the trailer. You know, it's a small, little dinky, fancy stove. It's light up, nice, colorful at night. And then I'm just gonna turn my stove on. And I get my stove lit. I'm just gonna bring the fire up more. And then I'm gonna add some more bottled water. And see the color changes. And now we're gonna just add some green onion. So that's gonna just break up your green onion. So we're making the marinade for the chicken, and I give it a little squirt of barbecue sauce. And then I'm going to give it a little squirt of ketchup. And I'm just going to mix it in, just like that. And then I'm going to make this thing boil for 15 minutes to get everything cooked. I buy this wonderful stuff at Lowe's, and I'm going to load the chicken up inside this, and then I'll show you guys when I'm adding it to our barbecue. But first, I'm going to take you guys outside and show you the barbecue that I'm going to put the chicken on. We're at the trailer. This is the barbecue I'm going to be used to cook our chicken. I buy this off Amazon, and I will show you guys what I'm doing. Now I'm getting ready to get this charcoal barbecue lit, and this is what I'm going to be using for the jerk chicken. I run out of charcoal and I have to go and buy some, and I will show you guys the little adventure of this Olympia trailer park. I'm getting ready to lit the barbecue. I'm gonna have my charcoal. Then I have my fire started. So I'm just building the charcoal around the fire.
As you can see, he's a pyromaniac.
And I'm just gonna add more charcoal. And I'm using the picnic table, and I fireproof it with tin foil. Now it's time. I have my chicken in the rack. I'm gonna add my chicken. Remember, we are making jerk chicken at the trailer park. We're gonna flip our chicken, so we're just gonna hold and flip. And one thing with this thing, it never get hot. The handlebar never get hot. So see how the chicken is coming on fine, and then we're gonna just add some sauce. And the wife come up with this idea, so.
Except for when an onion gets in the way.
Get sauce over it just like that. Check out the jerk chicken. I get them dipped and I flip them over. So I'm just gonna let them cook and I will give you guys a sneak peek. So now my jerk chicken is finished cooking them and I flip them over so make it I see. And then I'm gonna remove them off the barbecue. And then I'm gonna add some corn because it's jerk chicken at the trailer park is going to be corn. So I'm gonna put the corn and I'm gonna show you guys as well. Now I'm gonna add corn onto our barbecue and I have the corn with butter and I wrap them in some tin foil and I'm just gonna add them to the barbecue. Trailer trash and trailer park style. Just like that. I know the corn is finished cooking on the barbecue, so I'm going to take them off. And it's a little bit raining. I will see you guys when I go inside and I make a plate with corn and jerk chicken. I have my jerk chicken on a plate and it's raining outside, so I decided to come in and I fix myself a nice plate with jerk chicken and corn, trailer park style, to all of you campers out there. And I'm going in for do the taste test. I can't resist. I have to go in and see it's all the way cooked right through. Just look at that. It cooked right through. And this jerk chicken is done at the trailer park. And I'm going to try the corn. Corn with butter. And this jerk chicken is seasoned perfect. We are at Olympia Trailer Park. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And also hit the notification bell. And thanks for watching.